this video, we're going to be looking at how to hide mutual contacts on your Telegram application. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So when it comes to going ahead and hiding mutual in group chat member list or administrators with over 100 members, you can simply go ahead and enable the hide members feature in the group settings to restrict who sees you as a contact generally. All you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application and then click on the settings icon on the bottom of your screen. Simply go ahead and look for privacy and security and click on that. And now this is where you can simply go ahead and click on phone number, and then nobody can see, and then who can find me, only my contacts, and so on. So it is as simple as that. If you have these settings turned on, you're going to be hiding the mutual contacts on Telegram. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.